very special because we had a beautiful drive down here along the St. Croix and the Mississippi. So we're going to do a song in honor of the second of those two rivers.
Taught the weeping willow how to cry, and I showed the clouds how to cover up a clear blue sky. And the tears that I cried for that river, I'm gonna fudge you, big woman, and I'm gonna sit right here until I die. Well, I met her accidentally in St. Paul, Minnesota, and it tore me up every time I heard her drawl, southern drawl. I heard my dream went back downstream, cavorting in Davenport. I'll follow you, big river, when you call. Call me, Tony. Well, you took me to St. Louis later on down the river. A freighter said she's been here, but she's gone. Boy, she's gone. I found a trail in Memphis, but she just walked up the bluff, raised a few eyebrows, and she went on down along. Now you batter down by Baton Rouge, River Queen, rolling on. Take that woman on down to New Orleans, hey, New Orleans. Go on, I've had enough, toss my blues down in the Gulf. She loves you, big river, more than me. Yeah, now I taught the weeping willow how to cry, cry, cry. And I showed the clouds how to cover up a clear blue sky. And the tears that I cried for that woman, we're gonna flood you, big river, and I'm gonna sit right here until I die.
Hey, Jay Levinsky. He plays low, he sings low, swings low.